Now that the work is complete, it's time to safely doff your Tychem 6000 AL garment. Based on requirements for your application, if needed, decontaminate the suit. Always remember to find a safe location with secure seating to properly doff your PPE as needed. First, with an assistant wearing the appropriate PPE to assist you, open the flap and unzip the front entry of the garment. Pull the hood back over the wearer's head by rolling the inside outward and away from the body to avoid contamination. At this point, the assistant can disconnect the airline. For the first sleeve and glove, the assistant removes the outer glove and holds the attached glove or wrist of the suit as the wearer removes the first arm from the suit. This is repeated for the second arm. Unfasten the belt and slip the garment down towards your knees, continuing to roll the inside of the garment outward. If you're wearing style TF630 with attached socks, the wearer sits while an assistant removes their separate chemical boots and then pulls each attached sock to assist the wearer in removing their legs from the suit. For style TF640 with attached overboots, the assistant grasps the buckles on the overboots, twists them upward to release some of the tension on the strap, and pull the buckle to loosen the overbelt. Then, pull each overboot to help the wearer remove their legs from the suit. Finally, the wearer rotates or moves to an area of the bench where no contaminant has fallen and doffs inner shoes if applicable. Your doffing of Tychem 6000 AL is now complete. In case of an emergency in which you need to open the suit immediately, grab the orange strip on the left shoulder with your right hand and pull the orange strip towards the front of your body. You will notice an opening where the orange strip was placed. Use both hands to enter the opening and pull hands in opposite directions to open the suit far enough to safely exit the suit.